Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a sample journal so that you can easily use templates like Success Planner or any other planners. Just open the journal app and click on create sample journals, and here you can browse several templates. Actually, let's choose Success Planner. Click on Use this journal, and now you can freely edit these pages. Okay, then if you go back to the main page, you can see that it has been created. That's basically it. Have a nice day.